Welcome back, guys. So in the last video there was a issue with the shield basically destroying one after I equipped the other one, so I did go ahead and fix that. So we'll pick up a shield, sword, pick up all of this. So now if I take the shield and use it, it does equip it. The sword, use it, it equips it. If I want to switch the shield, now switches it out, brings the other shield in. The sword I can switch out, and the health and mana potions are now stacking. We can see here there's now a quantity of 3, so it does stack. And we can see now as I use this, it does decrease the amount used. Now we have 1 left, and then if I go ahead and use that one, it'll disappear from the inventory. Okay, one little quick update here. So now when let me pick up a few items here. So like to equip the sword, it would click here and then I would click use, and now you can double click any item straight from the inventory to equip it, so it doesn't have to, you don't have to hit the use. It's just easier to double click and automatically equip it. So you can even use it with the potions too. So I have 3 health potions. I can just click it real fast and heal. Click mana, restores the mana. Okay, I'm about to set up for her to be able to draw her sword. Okay, so I'm starting to set up the sword and shield for her to be able to equip it. So this is every skeleton in the body right here. And so I'm going to her right hand and I'm going to add a socket to her right hand. And that socket created in the right hand is going to be the weapon slot. Now I'm going to position the sword right in that slot.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move.
I like that setup. Let me test this out.
You don't do, well I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in
Looks pretty good.
in the back bed. I show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money.
Yep, I think it looks pretty good. Want to check one more thing here. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm about ready to try it out and see if it will withdraw the sword. Okay, here we go in the moment of truth. Let me pick up a weapon here first. Alright, I just need to equip it. And here we go. Look at that. I got the weapon. Okay, I got the sheath function now. I'm gonna test that out. Let me go back over here. Let's pick up a sword. We need to equip that sword. And Okay, so we have our sword. And let's see if we can put it away. Alright. Okay, so I got the sword, or the shield now. So I'm going to test out the sword and the shield. And let's use this other sword this time. So we'll equip the shield, and we'll equip the sword. And let's see. Oh, there we go. So we have the sword and the shield now spawning. And to put them away. Alright, so there we have it, the sword and the shield.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into